Hello all, myself Christy Varghese. This is the book I have written for General Aptitude section, which is currently the bestseller book for CSIR-NET Part A. And these are the other books I have written, and this is the details of the workshop I conduct for Vedic Mathematics. And if you want to get regular updates from me regarding my upcoming classes, you can be part of the WhatsApp group and Telegram group. And my daily free classes happens in Unacademy profile Christy Varghese. And if you are new to Unacademy profile, you can use this invite code CC10 to access the free classes also. And in YouTube, if you want to attend all my previous free classes, General Aptitude with Christy Varghese, you can Google or YouTube, and you can see all the videos of all the classes I have taken in different YouTube channels. The question reads like this: 4 persons P, Q, R and S are to be seated in a row. R should not be seated at the second position from the left end of the row. That means if there are 4 spots, R should not be here. R cannot sit here. R can sit in any of the other 3 places. The number of distinct seating arrangements possible is, that is the question. So here actually there are 2 ways of doing this question. Either finding all the possibility where R cannot sit on the second place, or the easier way is find the total possibilities minus the possibilities where R sits on second seat, sits on second position. Because from the total, if you remove all the cases when R is sitting on the second position, you will get R not sitting on the second position. The complementary approach we are using. Total minus, if you want to find something, from total cases subtract the cases when that something will not happen. So that is easier because total arrangement it is easy to find. 4 places, PQRS 4 people are there. PQRS any 4 can sit on the first row, first position. So 4 possibility. Once you place that person cannot sit in any other places. So there are only 3 remaining possibilities because that person is not sitting on the second spot. First person already fixed. So the remaining 3 people, anyone can be sitting here. 2 people already fixed means here only 2 remaining possibility. 3 people already fixed means here only 1 remaining possibility. Or in the arrangement chapter, the simple idea is if n positions and n people are there, n factorial arrangements are there. 4 positions and 4 people means 4 factorial. With permutation also you can say 4p4, but factorial is much easier. So I am just writing 4 factorial is the total arrangement. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is obviously 24. 24 minus. Now R sitting on second spot. R sitting on second spot means you have fixed R on the second spot. How many arrangements are there? Then there are 3 spots remaining and 3 people are there. As I told, if n spots and n people are there, n factorial arrangements are there. So now 3 people and 3 spots are remaining. So 3 factorial arrangements will be there. So 4 factorial minus 3 factorial is the answer. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, which is 6. 24 minus 6, 18 is the answer. Option C, 18 is the answer. Factorial concept, if you are not clear, in the previous free classes I have explained that in detail. Very basic school level concept itself, but any non-mathematical background student who is listening to this, if you are not clear about factorial, just Google it or check out my previous classes where I have explained. So option C, 18 is the answer. Thank you. More details of my free classes and other resources I provide is given here. There is a mobile application, Christy's classes, and there is Telegram group and WhatsApp group, which I told in the beginning. All the important links and all the important details of about the free classes and full courses are given in this slide. If you want to take Unacademy full subscription or plus subscription, this CC10 referral code can be used for taking plus subscription also, and to access the free classes also the same referral code can be used. And these are the 2 new full courses I have launched in Unacademy, one for General Aptitude, one for Basic Math and Vedic Mathematics. Both the courses you can access by a single Unacademy plus subscription with the referral code CC10. More details about my free classes are given in the description of this video. Thank you.